The Il-96-400M, a wide-body long-range airliner, conducted a series of test flights over the city and surrounding settlements in mid-September 2025, an uncommon occurrence for the residents of Syktyvkar. The United Aircraft Corporation's livery adorned the aircraft, making it a remarkable sight in the evening sky. The jet circled back for repeated flyovers before resuming its test program, although it was too large to land at the local airport. These maneuvers were a component of a more extensive series of trials intended to evaluate the aircraft's performance, handling, and avionics in various flight conditions. The prototype aircraft in question was registered under the number 96115. It has been equipped with a new array of avionics and electronic systems, which were primarily developed using domestic Russian components. The Il-96-400M has garnered attention as both a technological demonstration and a prospective backbone for Russia's long-haul aviation capability in the years ahead since its rollout. In November 2023, the Il-96-400M program achieved a significant milestone when the prototype departed from Voronezh for its inaugural flight. The fundamental airworthiness of the design was confirmed by the initial test, which lasted just over 20 minutes. Stability, control responses, engine performance, and onboard systems were all monitored by engineers. In the months that followed, the aircraft was subjected to a variety of operational scenarios, refined avionics, and expanded its flight envelope. The recent sorties over Syktyvkar are a component of this expanding test campaign. Engineers were able to acquire valuable data in a new geographic location, with distinct weather conditions and air traffic environments, by flying over the Komi Republic. The local airport's constraints necessitated the decision not to land. However, the overflights enabled the efficient execution of both low-pass maneuvers and system checks. It was also an uncommon opportunity for the local populace to witness a new wide-body airliner that is expected to be operational in the near future. Syktyvkar is a regular test area for new Russian planes. Recently, the MC-21 was tested along established air routes on the Moscow-Syktyvkar-Moscow line. The Il-96-400M is a modernized and expanded version of the Il-96-300, the sole wide-body airliner presently in operation in Russia. It has the capacity to accommodate approximately 370 passengers in a standard two-class configuration due to its extended fuselage. However, there are ongoing discussions regarding the potential to re-engineer future versions with two high-thrust PD-35 turbofans to enhance fuel efficiency. The aircraft is currently propelled by four PS-90A engines, a proven Russian design. A wholly updated avionics suite is included in the Il-96-400M, in addition to structural modifications. To attain independence from imported components, Russia has integrated modern navigation and communication systems, flight management computers, and landing aids. The aircraft is being positioned as a potential platform for cargo, government, and special mission duties, in addition to serving as a passenger carrier. The Il-96-400M's future has been the subject of extensive debate. On the one hand, government officials have referred to the aircraft as a significant addition to the nation's civil aviation fleet, with the intention of reducing the country's dependence on foreign wide-bodied aircraft during a period of sanctions and restricted imports. However, there are still uncertainties regarding the economic feasibility of operating a four-engine long-haul jet in the current market, the volume of production, and the existence or absence of commercial airline orders. It is possible that the Russian airlines may operate this aircraft for long-haul domestic flights, with state enterprises leasing them at favorable prices. State transport leasing company GTLK has started leasing domestic aircraft to Russian airlines at very favorable terms. Initial deliveries are anticipated within the next few years, according to certain reports, and serial production is either underway or imminent. Simultaneously, other official statements underscore that the successful conclusion of the flight test program, the securing of confirmed orders, and the fulfillment of certification will be prerequisites for large-scale production. At present, it is evident that the Voronezh facility has been assigned the responsibility of preparing for potential assembly, while the prototype continues its test flights throughout Russian regions. The Il-96-400M program is characterized by both technical progress and uncertainty, as evidenced by the flights over Syktyvkar. Russia has exhibited its capacity to develop and operate a modernized wide-body aircraft in the face of severe technological isolation. The test campaign is progressing methodically, with each sortie contributing to the certification effort and refining the aircraft's systems. The balance of economics, industrial capability, and political will shall determine whether the Il-96-400M becomes a common sight in airline fleets or remains predominantly a government and special mission platform. Currently, the residents of Syktyvkar have been afforded a glimpse of the future as one of Russia's most ambitious aviation ventures continues to traverse the sky. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, please take our channel membership, which is very affordable, to encourage us.